lost and fight for my yarn. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Right to the one.
The typical Costa Rican food? Yeah, right here.
But I'm burning. I mean, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind need to leave out that side. And it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need.
I was able to go to a butterfly garden. I love butterflies. That's so crazy.
I need to free my mind now. I really need.
Wow, this is a big one. What's your name, boss?
This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind, I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need, I really need my love. I really need, and the free my love. I really need, I really need my love. I really need, I need to free.
Remember, we take about half an hour getting to town. So, and then the pickup location is going to be the same place where we drop off you in there. So you can take the first one at 1:30 p.m., 3:45, 3:47.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side, and whatever comes through clear. All this jewelry
The supermarkets is it just brings back childhood memories when I used to be with my grandma. It's just so cute. My grandma used to go to the flea markets, and we used to every flea market go in there and she'll negotiate stuff. So it just gives like childhood vibes, but I just love it.
If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. Spotlight on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up, burn up. Mama too hot like a, like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Good place. Staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Your information, take vacation to Malaysia. My baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. Walking my mansion, 20,000 patent Picasso. Bitch, if you dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Got the planet, diamond dancing like Ricardo. She having it when they call her working on the bachelor. I know you got a pass, I got a pass. It's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. Slide on all your nights like this. Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the slide, oh yeah.
Today is day 3, and on today's itinerary we're going to be doing our excursions. Let me go ahead and do my lashes, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows, and then we out the door. I did my lashes. I did my eyebrows. And let me put on some lip gloss. Eyebrows check. Lashes check. Lip gloss check. Alright, we good. It's time for us to go. Okay babes, I'm back. So before I head out to go do our excursions, I just wanted to leave my honest review due to the fact this is basically our last day here. Cause I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. I was not excited about coming to Costa Rica due to the fact that I was watching a lot of reviews on TikTok and pretty much everyone said the same thing. So in this clip, here is my honest review about the RIU Palace. The rooms, personally, in my opinion, is a 7.5. And it's not really about the decor or the layout. It's more so because the rooms have like a very strong odor. I don't know what it is. It smells like mold the minute you walk in. When it comes to like the resort, like I would say that it's a good hotel, but it's not a party hotel. To me, it's more of a relaxing, family-oriented hotel. Now, when it comes to the food, this is what I was afraid of because on TikTok, they kept saying that the food doesn't taste good. If I was to rate the food, now they have 4 different, I think it's 5 different restaurants. They have one that serves Chinese food. They have one that serves Mediterranean food. They have different options. I can't say this, but for the days that we've been here, we've only been eating at the buffet, and hopefully tonight we can eat at the hotel, at the restaurant that serves lamb chops, because that's really what I want. I wanna see how the lamb chops taste. But so far, the food, if I was to rate the food, for me personally, it would be an 8 out of 5. Like, it's good. It's not that bad. And on TikTok, they kept saying that the food is not good. But the drinks, if I was to rate the drinks, it would be a 4 out of 10. The drinks are weak. You might as well just stick to shots. Shots. And I'm not a big fan of shots. But if you're trying to get there, shots it is. And so if you come across this video and you really want to know like what's the real review, this is my review. I definitely will come back here. It's a vibe. The only thing is the rooms definitely do smell like mold. However, housekeeping, like the customer service is okay. Like they're not so friendly due to the fact that they don't speak English. But overall, I would definitely come back to this resort. So I hope this helped anyone who want to come to Costa Rica, RIU Palace. Girl, get your ass over here. It's lit. But just make sure you take hella shots.
I know you got a pass, I got a pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it.